The jungle is full of animals. Some animals are meek and mild. Some animals are loud and wild. There are animals on the ground, or in the water, or in the trees. There are so many animals for us to see. Look, it's Ella the elephant. Her big ears can hear many sounds. She is using her trunk to pick grass from the ground. Zeb the zebra is walking by. His tail sways from side to side. Swish, swish, swish. With his strips, it's not easy to hide. Look, here's a family of monkeys. They are swinging from the trees. Hee hee ha ha hoo hoo. They are making lots of noise and shaking all the leaves. Look at the hippo, rolling in the mud. Some are giving themselves a shake. The other are bathing in the lake. Flip, flap, flop. Croco the crocodile has crawled out of the lake. He is drying his hard skin. He gives the hippos a truthy grin. Look, it's Ray the rhinoceros. He has just fed. Rim ram ram. You can see bits of grass strung to the horn on his head. Jira the giraffe is eating some fruits. Her neck is so long, it goes up so high. She is friends with many birds in the sky. Like this book, you can publish your book. The parrots and toucans are sleeping. They are having a rest. The little ones are quiet in their nest. The colorful snakes are always quiet. They slither and slide along. Some snakes are small and short. Some are big and long. Gog the gorilla has woken up. He is very big and black. He likes to beat his chest and stretch his back. Look, what's this? The leopard, tiger and lion are all singing a song. They really like it if you joined along. The lion says roar. The tiger says roar. Some more. We are the jungle cats. We are loud and we were wild. We were not meek and mild. We are the jungle cats.